Amanda, thank you for sending in your sample material. Now this material will cut just fine on our clicker press, and I'm going to demonstrate it first off with an 1¼ inch high forged die. And then I'm going to demonstrate the press using an 1¼ inch high clicker die, and then also a .937 high steel rule die. Now a steel rule die is a die that's mounted in wood. It has ejection foam. Again, it's .937 high. Now with both the forged die and the clicker die, we would have the material on top of the cutting board, place the die on top of the material, slide it in, flick it out, and as you'll see, we get a nice clean cut. Actually cut through 2 layers there, cut through nice and clean. The next type of die I'm going to demonstrate is a clicker die, again 1¼ inch high die. We're going to slide it in, click it out, and now that doesn't give quite as clean a cut, but it's still pretty clean, and once again I cut through 2 layers. And the next type of die that I'm going to demonstrate is the .937 die. Now for this one I'm going to change how I do it, and I'm going to mount our cutting board to the top. Now I'm using clamps, but there are actually mounting holes on the top steel platen of this press. So you can just mount the board to the top and you wouldn't have to use clamps. So I'll put the die on the bottom. I'm going to slide it in. And your die would be built on a 12 by 12 board, so it'd be a lot easier to work with. You know, this die is pretty small, so I have to stick my hand in there to grab it out. Now that die, I'm pretty sure you can accomplish a pretty clean cut. Now, obviously, it did not cut all the way through that time, but I think that's because of the way the edges are perfed on this particular die. But I'm confident that you can actually achieve a nice clean cut with this type of die as well. Now, another thing to discuss with the steel rule die that I was just working with is if you ever have need for alignment, you can use alignment pins. These are retractable registration alignment pins that can be built right into your die board. So anyhow, I'm going to send you this video link and I'll give you a call to discuss. Thank you.